Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial, HDR toning for foggy scenes. Import your foggy landscape to add depth throughout HDR toning. Now convert it into a smart object for flexible adjustments. Open your HDR toning to begin enhancing haze layers and also increase strength slightly for subtle textures. Lower details to keep fog soft. Drop highlights to protect a soft glow, and lift shadows for shadowed areas. Adjust common to balance fog brightness, and also add vibrance for slight color richness. Reduce saturation for a moody tone. Modify exposure for atmospheric depth, and mask HDR to maintain natural fog areas. Fine